stopping. No, I ain't stopping. Homie, regardless. And I ain't stopping. No, I ain't stopping. Let's get it started. Let's go.
My skin is pale, but I'm a black sheep. Riding through the city, Satan in the backseat. Hey yo, that's me, I run it like a track meet, a rap beat. I set the bar high like an athlete. For the beat that's gon' drop that beat away. Cause the vibe is dope and the beat is cracking, now it's getting laced. I'm sharp as a razor blade, blow your mind like JFK. I do what I want, you ain't gonna box me in like David Blaine. We get it poppin', homie, day and night. Got the party jumping, about to break the ice. I stay up on my grind, that's my way of life. I got tunnel vision, I'ma chase that ray of light.
Around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yeah, we notorious, we ain't no runner.
Fame, a flashy accompaniment.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Avoided or just understood.
rages around like an ocean in my head. Because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these conversations,
Alone is another word for splendid.
An ally has been slain.
One sword reflects one's
my
thought.
heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I
Don't know myself.
it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Fortune favors the bold.
Ult is ready.
Not bad.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on mission. Okay, let's get it. Got a little time on my hands like a wristwatch. I don't got time for the breaks and the pit stop. Race through the gridlock, take it a crisp spot. Break to the chin, still win. Heavy metals like Slipknot. Got me driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm done with it. See the end game, I got one division. Look, I don't ever bother with a critic. Hit it with a chronicle of Riddick. Boom, bottle full of Ritalin. I hit him with a little bit of riddle me this, riddle me that. My bad, fell asleep at the gas. No time to wait though. Elon Musk, I'm trying to bankroll. New Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan.